What is the word for COVID?
You have a word for COVID. COVID is something that.
Yes, I was also shocked.
What's the word for COVID?
What is that? You guys ready?
Yeah.
You sure? I guess you learned something about Zulu today.
It's probably a language.
Maybe you guys can teach me Shona some other time.
What does Chamatsenga Nzungu mean?
Yo, Batong. What is
I don't even know what that.
What is Chibogo?
You lying.
What is
You're making things.
Sogo?
Spoke.
What is Chibogo? What?
He spoke.
Chibogo Sogo. What's Chibogo Sogo? What is Chipondamoy? This one you know. Chipondamoy.
Your sweetheart.
Sweetheart. Yes.
Sipondo.
What is this phrase? Decipher this phrase.
You're making things up.
Wait,
you are making things up. You are making things up.
Yeah, there we go.
That's too difficult. That's too difficult.
Surface level. You see, also you're not telling me surface level.
No, it's surface level. It just means.
I'm not good evening.
How do you say?
Yes, I told you this last week.
Muscular, say.
Yes. Okay. She remembers.
I remember.
What is Porsche? Porsche. It's actually Porsche. What's Porsche? I'm actually giving you hints here.
Numbers.
Which number?
Porsche 3.
1. Porsche pili tatu ina sham.
Oh, tattoo. This
3.
tattoo.
There's similarities like that.
But one Porsche
What
is
is one in Zulu? What is one in Zulu?
Lunye. So that's completely different things.
Yeah, but I get what it means.
How would I get Porsche?
Because I even just like Inwe.
Inwe, it means one, but it's usually when you are described, when you're talking about it, it's contextual.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
so Inwe, one cow. So,
but when you're counting numbers,
but when
you
you're
say
counting
Porsche.
you say Porsche.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Yeah,
Wait,
so I could get, if you say that
one.
Yeah, I could still get it.
I think if the next time we do, I'll do like a more easier.
Sibili.
What's PUCB?
Piri 2.
Piri 2.
Tatu. 3. Ina. Shanu. 5. Tanatu.
And then what did you say Umtawanti's year is? Oh, okay. What's the website? Because I had the word for website here, but I figured you guys wouldn't get it now.
Website. There's a whole
in Zulu.
website in Zulu.
You guys.
No. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. It was nice. Bye.
You can just
website.
Entire website. Actually, we might have.
You can search it up.
I will research. I'm surprised. Oh, there's
There's
actually a word for COVID. What is the word for COVID?
You have a word for COVID. COVID is something that.
Yes, I was also shocked.
What's the word for COVID?
What is that?
So
what's the direct code?
It's a mixture because Zio was like smart.
Yeah.
And then Pengu is like mad person, crazy person.
So it just means like a
very
aggressive flu. If you're going to like put it in a way that
because usually
it's
when
an aggressive flu.
Wait, is it a word that you guys know, or you just made that?
No,
so it was just 2 words that were combined. That existed already.
Oh, then how do you know
like,
that?
Ziwa as well can also be like used as like if you have the flu. So now it's like Ziwa Mpengu. So Mpengu mad person.
Mpengu is a mad person.
Like, so but now
you see Mpengu, I would have figured Mpengu is mad.
Also.
Yeah, Penga. I don't know what language is that.
Unopenga.
Oh, that's stronger. Oh, yeah, you see? I know Unopenga. I know Shona, guys. Don't take me.
If you know Venda. If you know Venda.
I don't know Venda.
Yeah, Venda is also besties with Shona as well.
Oh, if I had a Venda person, you guys would have gotten the answers right.
You'd be shocked.
I
mean, I've heard Venda people speak and I just
decoder. What's decoder? I know that word.
A decoder? It's like a thingy, like your DSTV things.
I don't think that's what it means.
What the hell is that? Decoder. Wait, spell it. DECODER.
Decoder. It's come here.
What the hell is that?
It's a vendor.
That's why I'm saying you'd be shocked. You would think.
No.
You would think
It's
it's
speaking
close.
English.
You would think it's
It
close.
sounds so English.
No, it's not. Decoder. When I
No,
pronounce
when you
it
pronounce it the first time, it sounds like English.
decoder.
Because when you said decoder, you didn't put
But
exactly.
why did you think she'd say
Because I was
Yeah,
because I
why
was thinking